Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with some exciting news. But I also want to do a little recap on the challenge that is still going on in the Facebook group. Maybe you forgot, maybe you just tuned in, maybe you're just a member of the Facebook group. But we have a challenge going on with the autumn. Let's start with this one, Autumn Arrive Kit. I'm working on a altered book. It's not completely finished, but the pages are in here. I have a series of videos about this journal. You can join in with the kit or the freebies, and if you then you have to use the hashtag autumn arrived, and then at the same time, and it's exactly the same challenge, the event is the same, you can make like a pocket tag thingy with the freebies, the Halloween freebies. I have made this one on camera. Well, I think I made both on camera. I'm not sure. No, one. I made one on camera. And if you use the freebies that are available in the Facebook group, you can use the hashtag LDA Halloween challenge, and then you will be entered in the giveaway too. And the giveaway prizes are digitals. I'm going to spin 3 times. I'm going to put your name in the wheel and the name wheel picker. And 3 times, the first spin is for the first prize 3 digitals, second spin, second prize 2 digitals, third spin 1 prize 1 digital. Then I'm going to put all the names back in, going to spin another time, and then you will be able to win this gorgeous journal. I have a flip through on the video where I explained about the challenge. I will try to link this down below, but there's also an event in the Facebook group, and there I have the link to the video included, so you can click on that and see the exact thing, what you need to do, how you can enter, and what the rules are basically. And also I do a show and tell this journal, and this journal I made as a design team project for Suzanne in her, I think it was 3 months ago, she did the So Shabby kit. And there were challenges in this Facebook group because Suzanne is doing challenges. We alter, and I was in the design team and I made this journal. So you can win this journal by entering in the challenge, and it's still running until the end of the month. So you have a few more days to enter, and you don't have to make a journal. You can do small things. And every time you make something different, you can post it in the group with a picture. And be aware, one post is 1 entry. A post with 20 pictures is not 20 entries, but it's still 1 entry. And we will collect all the names, put them in the wheel. I'm going to spin, and I'm going to send out all the prizes. And yeah, I hope you still join in. This is a small craft you can make, but you can also make like small things with the Autumn Arrive kit. And of course, Suzanne has her challenges going on in the Facebook group too, but those are from Suzanne with her kits. And if you want to know all about those, you have to check that event and her videos. But this is from LineDotArrow, and in LineDotArrow you can win a journal, and in the Suzanne challenge you can win her digitals. So just a little recap, and for those of you who just tuned in and new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for being here, for supporting me, for watching, and I hope you like the channel. But you can also join the Facebook group and join one of the challenges and be a winner. So, and now I'm going to show you the exciting part. So I took away the books and everything. And well, those were exciting too, but I have a new kit, and it's called Winter's Tale. It's not a winter kit with snow and well, like the winter scenery we usually think to see when it's winter, because here in the Netherlands it's not always snow. It's mostly rain, cold and wet and muddy and slippery outside. And I just created a kit that it also has like little fall elements in it. But to me, fall and winter are one and the same. It's getting colder, 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 extremely cold, and then we're moving towards spring. But first, let me show you the pages. I have to say, I backed all the journal pages with prints from other kits that I have. And I wanted to write down every single page that I printed from every different kit, but I had major printing issues today. It took me 5 hours to print this kit. I don't know what's wrong with my printer. I was very happy with my printer, but suddenly it started to not print and jammed the papers and everything. So I hope, fingers crossed, I have everything fixed now. But that made me forget to write down all the backing pages that I printed on the journal pages. So yeah, there are in many different kits, but you can also check a previous kit you bought that has the same color scheme, and you can you can put it at the back, or you can just copy a coffee dyed paper and print that on the back side, or glue it to the back side. That's an option too. But let's go through the pages. Like I said, 28 pages. Did I say that? Yes, I said. It's not on the front, but it is on the logo on all the ephemera pieces. It has greens, blues, browns. I'm going to show you one. I'm not going to show all of them, because it's the front side that I want to show you. Ephemera, journal cards. I really like this one. And yeah, there's no snow. But it does remind me of winter. The blue, maybe. I think the blue triggered me to call it winter. But maybe it's pre-winter tales, something like that. Another journal page. And another one over here. And there are many layers in this kit. I'm not sure if you can see. Different tones of color, different designs. Blues and greens. This one. This is a backing page. And this is my favorite page, the collage page. I love this. And this one. This is my favorite too. I like the girls too, but these are my favorites. I really like them. Then we have tags, a little bit of different shapes I tried this time, not all the same. Try to keep them as neutral. Well, not neutral, but you can still put things on, so they are not all completely done. The pockets the same. You can still embellish these without interfering with the background. Little bits and bobs to put on the journal pages or on the tags. Another journal page. Another ephemera page, an envelope, journal card, and some little labels and book plates to put on. I like this butterfly. These are a little bit more embellished, but I like this one a lot. Then we have smaller journal cards, straight pockets. Another journal page. I couldn't stop, so I kept making more pages. And this is a goldie oldie, a file folder, but it is so fun to put in your journal and put in like papers or ephemera pieces. Then we have labels, and these are the larger sizes, because I also have them in smaller sizes to put on like the little tags and stuff. More ephemera over here. I really like this one. And these are the smaller labels, smaller tags, smaller stamps. And I couldn't decide which one had to go in, so I put them both in. This is more a green toned, and this one is more blue toned. I like them both. Journal cards, postcards, more journal cards. And I can think of so many things. You can make little, like the pockets like we did for Halloween, or with book pages make pockets and put this on, like with sewing and cheesecloth and ribbons and eyelets, and yeah, you can do a lot. And this is also one of my favorite pages. And then we have this one, another sort of backing page, and more pockets, some tabs, another, I call this a book plate, I'm not sure what it is, but you can, if you cut this out, you can put some writing in between, and like oval shaped tags. So these are the pages. The design team members are going to be working with this kit, and we are going to do a challenge, 2 challenges. Normally we do 3, and we have 1 week to work out all the other challenge to finish everything off. But since we are heading towards Christmas, I'm saying this strange Christmas. I decided to make this a little shorter event. So instead of crafting for 4 weeks, we are going to craft for 3 weeks. But I will explain everything when I show you the freebies we are going to be working with. And in the event you can also find all the information, and so you know what to do. I'm just flipping over the pages so you can see one more time. But yes, and the good news is it will be on sale. I'm going to put it on sale with a 30% off, just because I can. So yeah, this is it for today. Make sure you, if you want to enter the challenge, you do that, well, within the next few days. Otherwise you will be too late, but you still have a few days. And if you want to join in with the challenge for the winter still, and there are going to be freebies, you can also enter with the freebies. But in the next challenge in November, if you use the kit, every entry is worth 2 entries, and if you use the freebies, every entry is worth 1 entry. If you use a combination of the kit and the freebies, it is still 2 entries, because this one is counting then. Because I want to I want to make sure everybody is going to be able to join in the fun, and I would like to see all your creative stuff in the Facebook group. And I also had a call out for a design team member, guest design team member, well, actually a Facebook ambassador. We had that for a while, and at some point I stopped doing that. But I thought, wow, how nice would it be if we had a new ambassador for November working with this kit. So if you feel like you want to be an ambassador, you can post underneath the post in the Facebook group a picture with one of the makings you have, usually hashtag LDA group ambassador, and well, maybe you will be working with this kit. And yeah, this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the kit. I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. If you still have questions, leave a comment down below or ask in the Facebook group. I want to thank everybody for watching. And yeah, stay safe, stay creative. I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.